cousins. We're pulling into Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic. And the sun is rising. And it's a beautiful morning. And as we pull in, looking forward to a great day.
Mr. Chief, where we going?
Well, we're in Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic. We're going on a wonderful tour and we're going to have lunch. So we're looking forward to seeing some of the different spots. I think we're going to like a famous church and cathedral. We're going to go to
Gonna be fun. So Luigi ship right here.
your neighbor today.
Yep.
Right now we're just walking to the meeting point for the excursion.
Yeah, they said it's gonna take about 10 minutes, right?
To walk.
Walk to the meeting place.
When we got off the ship, the lady said to walk all the way to the end.
Otherwise, then for real, you have to stay in my house. But that's alright, my house is big enough. Not a problem. So today we're doing top 10 best of Puerto Plata with lunch. We're making a few stops in the city. One of them will be, we're going to be visiting today Rum Factory. At the Rum Factory over there, we're going to get to walk through the barrels of rum. We're going to watch a video with the history of this rum, and then is coming the best part, tasting of the rum. So you're gonna get to taste between 5 to 6 different type of rum that they make over there. You're gonna come out from there really happy. I don't know why, but normally people come very happy from there. It's a magical place, yes. Also today, we're going to be visiting downtown area where we're going to walk. So we're gonna go to those places, we're gonna walk around. We're going to visit Umbrella Street. The Umbrella Street is a beautiful place in town for pictures opportunity. Over there at the Umbrella Street, there is a coffee and chocolate place. Just in case you like to taste and try some and buy some to take you home as well. There is a place that they sell empanadas. There is a bar in case you like to get something to drink and things like that. If you get any alcohol, you can still walk around and enjoy your alcohol. If you don't finish it and it's time to go back on board on the bus, you can still drink it here on the bus. Not a problem. Also, we're gonna visit the Central Park, and right in front of it, it is the Cathedral, Catholic Church. Catholic is main religion in the Dominican Republic. Around 80% of the people are Catholic. The rest, 20%, we have other religions like Christians, evangelics, Mormons.
Where are we, Mrs. Chi?
At the Amber Museum.
Amber Museum?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the Amber Museum? Like Amber Alert?
No.
No?
Not quite.
Not quite? Okay, I hope it's worth it. Getting off the bus. I was comfortable on the bus. Oh, we gotta wear some
I
long
think you'll be
pants
fine.
again. Here we go. So. We've done this before, so.
Yep, we have. Well, cousins, we're back in Puerto Plata, part of the Dominican Republic. This time we came in on the MSC Seascape and came into a new port.
Yeah.
The first time we were here, it was the other port. And I forgot the name of the port that we came in on.
Another board.
But anyway, it's nice and beautiful. Mr. Chief is relaxing,
Yeah.
having a good time.
Right.
We're back here at what they call the Central Park area,
Right.
which is where all of the tourist areas, I should say all of the tours stop.
Yeah.
It's a very popular stop here. And from here you can walk to restaurants and souvenir shops. And this is their main square, basically. It's a beautiful day. What you see, the decor that you see is because they're celebrating Carnival the month of February. So you see some colorful decor from the lampposts and things like that as part of Carnival celebration. And it's a great day. And we're looking forward to the rest of our tour and a great lunch.
Lunch being great.
Mr. Chief didn't like the lunch.
I don't think I'm like this.
Last time. That was a couple years ago. That was in 2022.
We'll see.
We'll see what happens.
We'll see. A guy on this horse. I think he's selling something. I'm not sure, but I think he's selling something. Yeah, you gotta leave him a tip if you're there with him, taking a picture with him. You gotta leave him a tip. But that's genius. I love it. Him walking around looking like he on a horse. They're making money, making tip money. Wow. You gotta do what you gotta do to survive, right? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. That's all right. Did you let pictures land on you, Mrs.
Excuse me.
Chief? Like he's doing
So
over
hold my
there?
arms out.
No, don't do that. Don't
That's
do
a no
that.
thank you.
Yeah. You having fun over there with them pictures?
It was yummy?
No, it was
Okay.
a good lunch.
Okay, good. We're just going to get a little bit of this koi pond.
Yeah.
We enjoyed our lunch with our excursion. Got the little fishies. Nice atmosphere out here. Very beautiful.